Are you tired of spotting more and more white hairs each time you look in the mirror? You're not alone. But what if I told you that there's a natural, chemical-free way to fight gray hair and even give it a healthy, natural shine and tint? All from your own kitchen? Let me walk you through 2 powerful homemade remedies that could make all the difference. For the first one, to slow down graying and nourish your hair, start by brewing a cup of green tea and letting it cool completely. In a separate bowl, beat 1 egg until smooth. Once your tea is no longer warm, mix it with the egg and add a tablespoon of castor oil. This oil is rich in nutrients that support melanin production, which helps retain your hair's natural color. Now gently massage this mixture into your scalp, especially targeting the white or gray areas. Leave it on for at least 1 to 2 hours. If your hair is very dry, you can keep it up to 3 hours for extra hydration. Then rinse it out using lukewarm water and a mild shampoo. And remember, always apply it to clean hair for best results. Now for something a bit more colorful. If you're looking to give your hair a natural tint, especially if it's been bleached, here's a second method. Take a medium-sized purple cabbage, chop it up and blend it. Strain the juice into a bowl. Add 4 to 5 tablespoons of freshly ground coffee and 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Mix everything slowly for about 30 minutes until it thickens into a syrup-like consistency. Apply this mixture evenly to your hair, especially the light or bleached parts. Let it sit for 30 to 60 minutes, then rinse it with cold water. No shampoo this time. The color usually lasts through 3 to 5 washes and gives your hair a beautiful, subtle tone. Both of these remedies are natural, effective, and free from harsh chemicals. Try them regularly, and you may just fall in love with your hair all over again. Thank you so much for watching. Your support means the world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural remedies.